Yeah,
Braid.
It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but now so the storyline begin. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they touch me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy.
Hey guys. Good morning. Yeah. Oh, it's afternoon over here right now. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on where you are watching me from. You are welcome to Share with Love TV. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. Oh, I just came back from farmers market. I went to farmers market to grab just a few things that I needed, okay, at home. It wasn't a lot, just a few stuff. Okay, I'm back right now. Then let me keep the stuff away. Then later in the day, I will be going to Amma's house to go and make her hair today, okay? Let me quickly, this is all what I grabbed today. Yeah. Let me quickly put them away, then I'll take you guys to my friend's house, okay? Hi. Good afternoon. I'm fine. Okay, guys. I'm going to Amma's house right now to go and make her hair. I have my laptop and my tripod with me so that I think I want to video her when I'm doing her hair so I can post it on my other channel. Let me go through the garage. Our garage door is open. Okay, see you guys when I get inside.
Yeah.
Braid.
It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but now so the storyline begin. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. can change a man, that's all the matter be. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I no get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A can change a man. A can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today I dey drive in my phantom, they just dey shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people there for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere but now so the storyline begin. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own.
Okay guys, I'm done with the hair. I need to go home right now, okay? I'll see you guys when I get home, guys. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye, Jayla.
Bye. Abigail is back from school. Just on time. You hot?
I'm tired.
You tired? Oh, sorry.
This book bag is heavy.
What did you put inside? Oh, okay, that's it. I understand. Oh, sorry. You want me to? Are you okay?
Guys, my ice cream fell down. I just wanted to lick it and put it down so I can eat the rest of my food, and it fell down on the floor.
Today was ice cream day.
Oh, and I thought ice cream sold out.
Oh, sorry. Okay, next week Friday I'll give you money to buy ice cream, okay?
That happened last
I have. You cannot eat one home right now, okay?
Last time too.
Oh, sorry. She's mad. She's upset. Today is Friday, and normally on Friday they do sell ice cream in their school, $1 for ice cream day on Friday, every Friday. But today she said she was eating her ice cream. She was about to eat the ice cream, and the ice cream fell from her hand.
I just opened it.
You just opened. Oh, you're upset.
I only got one.
Okay, let me give you the. Bring the ice cream cone. Luckily, I have a homemade ice cream, banana ice cream. I'll give her some.
I didn't know you making it. You didn't tell me.
I didn't tell you because if I tell you guys will finish it
Who already opened it?
quickly. I've already opened it. Okay, let me give you guys the. I made this one right there. That is banana. That is the ice cream. That one there.
Take it out.
Open it. Okay, it's banana ice cream. I'm gonna give you some right now, okay? Okay, guys. I'm eating my ice cream. I've given some to her Abigail. I think she's upset right now. Okay, guys. My last vlog, guys. Sorry about the way I ended the vlog. Some of my the clip of the video was missing. Eh? Okay, I was ranting about how food stuff is expensive nowadays. Wait, let me clean my lens. Guys, things are expensive. The cost of living is getting out of hand, guys. Everything is double price. There's this oil that I used to buy at Sam Club. Are you done? You finished your ice cream?
No.
No. This oil, I used to buy this oil for $17. Right now, you know the price of the oil is now $41. From $17 to $41. It just doubled the price, eh? I was like, what? That is crazy, man. Crazy.
Hey guys.
Food stuff are expensive, but salary, they will not increase your salary. And those people that are working, they will not increase their salary. Even gas is high too. Gas price is high also. Me, I don't understand at all. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
If you guys notice the prices wherever you live, let me leave your comment in the comment section. What do you guys think about this high cost of living? I'm tired now again. I think I want to end the vlog here. I think if your pants, all your pants, your clothes, they are full of ice cream. It was chocolate ice cream?
Yes.
Why did you buy chocolate? Why did you buy vanilla?
No, it was cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream ice cream? Wow. Your pants, your shirt are all messy. Okay, I think I want to.
I was mad. Everyone was laughing.
Everyone was laughing? And it's okay. Sometimes people laugh. Okay, guys. I think that will be the end of today's vlog, guys. I'm already tired. I want to go take a nap if I can. Can we go take a nap? You don't want to take a nap? I think I want to take a nap. Let me try and see if I can take a nap, okay? I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, my fellow content creators, thank you so much for your support, for your love. I love you guys. We'll see you guys in our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
We love you.
We love you guys.
A lot.
A lot. Bye, guys.